Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. So I am on my way to cut veterans' hair. You know, what a noble thing, right? Like if you want to pay it forward and give something. And listen, the other thing is I'm going through an emotional rough time, but it's amazing how this helps you. Like it helps to realize you got so much more that to be grateful for and thankful for than, you know, coming to this veterans big facility, people that have lost everything, you know, and it makes me have such compassion that I want to pay it forward, right? Like give and bless those who've given their life and blessed us. Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here, and guess what? I have Charlie. Say hi, Charlie.
Hi.
Look at that nice hair. This is gonna be a fun haircut to do. Super fun, super easy. And here's all my stuff.
Yeah. All right.
Ta-da! All right, so this is Eddie, and listen, I'm just confirming he want it off, right?
Yeah, completely.
And
Oh,
what about your mustache?
just trim it real nice.
Okay.
Real neat, okay?
Okay, everything's going off. Just
Yes.
you guys are my witness here. Eddie,
Hi.
all gone. You have a lot of hair. How long was that for? 6 months?
Way past. So I always have my hair like this short, but I made a promise not to cut my hair, you know, too thin. And he gave me, when I asked him, he gave it to me. So
Oh, good.
it was time for me to cut it out.
Okay, there you go. All right, so this is Steve, and we are gonna do a great haircut on Steve.
Yeah.
I'm super excited. Are you ready, Steve?
I am so ready. I've been waiting for this for, I've let my hair grow for 4 years.
Wow! So I get the privilege of cutting it off.
Yes, yeah.
And this is Caroline. She's the one that set this all up. Thank you so much for loving.
Oh, well, it's my privilege to work with these veterans. It's really wonderful.
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
Thank you. Thank you. Let me show you.
No, not quite.
We'll
not
keep it
quite
a little
that, yeah,
on the
little
ear,
bit
okay?
On the ear, yeah.
Doesn't it look so nice?
Yeah. 70 apartments, I think.
Wow.
All on full?
Yeah, always. Well, besides when there's like a turnover for a month and then put someone else.
He's got great hair. Look at that cool hair.
I'm going to say this as I have to.
He also had him.
Down to nothing.
Yeah.
A 1.
Yeah, 1 on the sides and the 3 on the top.
Okay.
I kind of want it like this, but I do it myself, so I kind of, it's like an egg beater.
Oh.
So I just clean them back. I can't shave the back of my neck or nothing, so just, clean it up.
Sure. And this is me and Bobby. Look at how good that looks. Look at those eyebrows. I love it.
Nice, huh? Beautiful.
Honey,
We'll love you because I want it bald.
okay. What about
And then the beard thing, I definitely want under here done, and then
Do you want like a 1 or a 2 or anything?
I want it as close to my skin as possible because I don't want nothing down here.
Okay, so.
And then just basically like a goatee.
Oh,
Whenever you can do a
good.
goatee.
Oh, I'd love to do
Okay.
goatees. Cool, right?
Yeah, you did a good job. You can't see without those glasses.
I'm JJ.
JJ? JJ, what are we gonna do?
Okay, it's a new hairstyle I want to try out. I
Tell
want
me.
it kind of, I want it short on the sides
Yep.
and trimmed a little bit on the top, but you don't have to make it really short.
That looks good, JJ. Let me see. Nice, nice. All right, what's your name?
Tony.
Tony. All right, we're just gonna clean up. And he doesn't like, this is really good to learn because he doesn't like a line. So I'm just gonna fade it right in. Alrighty. That looks so much better.
Thank you.
All right, so doing haircuts at the Veterans. It's called Soldier something. So this is their hangout room, but there's 70 rooms in here. How awesome is that? Look at the backyard. It's so nice. So beautiful to be able to sit out here too. Barbecue. They have all 1-bedroom apartments in there and they all connect and get along too. Super awesome for the veterans. Love it. And I did haircuts today for them blessing us by sacrificing their time and their energy and their effort for our country, the United States. I love that. So just giving back, paying it forward. Hope you guys have a great day.